Okay, now let's finally talk watches. So first in line will be Parmigiani Fleurier with its world premiere on the Tonda Xiali Calendar. And since it's Chinese New Year's in a couple of weeks, well, I guess it's good to check out this complete Chinese calendar. And I'm happy that they didn't simply add a bunny on the dial to mark this occasion like so many other brands. So it's not the first Chinese calendar ever made. Blancpain introduced such calendars in 2012, but Parmigiani definitely took it to the next level. The mechanism is much more complicated than the one of the perpetual calendar. It combines elements of both solar and lunar calendar, which are calculated separately and then synchronized thanks to the additional 13th month. Plus, unlike the Gregorian calendar, which names the month and numbers the year, the Chinese calendar names the lunar years and numbers the month. And this sounds even more crazy if you add that it is calculated on the basis of astronomical observation and varies each year. In other words, it's simply impossible to make a real perpetual Chinese calendar, but Parmigiani decided to try this, and the limit is that this calendar requires adjustment only every 12 years. And the complex mechanism consists of 353 components with a special caliber PF 008 put into the 42mm steel case with platinum bezel, something which has recently become a signature of Parmigiani. The watch is 12mm thick, has a power reserve of 54 hours, and comes with a satin finished stainless steel bracelet. Definitely an eye-catching appearance with a great and original complication.